Hello friends, very good afternoon. My name is Dr. Ravi Prabhat Singh. Being in field of psychiatry, I started this channel from last 1 week 10 days only. My first video in English was introduction about myself being a psychiatrist in field of psychiatry. In this video, I am going to inform to all of my viewers about various kind of psychiatric problems or psychiatric symptoms, so that all of us, all of people in family member can see whether their person in their family is suffering from any psychiatric symptom or problem or not. In this video, I am going to talk generally about different kinds of psychiatric problem. This video is not about any particular kind of psychiatric illness. It is just a brief about various different kinds of psychiatric problems, so that in general what are major kinds of psychiatric problems or symptoms or signs people can see or in their families. I will start from very basic symptoms which family members can easily identify in their family or in particular person in their family. See, even getting angry every day, every hour, from days together, getting irritated from days together on small issues is also a kind of psychiatric problem. Feeling very happy, feeling elated, talking more or talking too much, uncontrollable talking 24 hours is also a kind of psychiatric problem. Singing songs, putting TV or mobile for songs on high volume, making jokes on family members, on friends from days together or months together is also comes under field of psychiatric symptoms. All other kinds of psychiatric problems are not taking care of personal hygiene, not sleeping well, not eating well, or eating too much or not at all eating, not taking bath from last 1 week 10 days, or taking bath 2 to 3 times a day, highly taking care of grooming about himself or herself, doing makeup too much without any reason, putting different kinds of shoes or suits, changing clothes every day to look like a hero or heroine is also a kind of psychiatric problem. Spending too much without any reason on himself or herself or on family without any reason, without any demand from family side is also a kind of psychiatric problem. Sometimes abusive behavior, sudden family will realize that our person was not at all of this kind of abusive behavior from last so many years, and now suddenly from last 2-3 months he has started or she has started this kind of abusive language for us or for friends or for relatives, also a kind of psychiatric problem. Not even abusive, sometimes assaultive kind of behavior also in few patients we have seen also comes under field of psychiatry. I mean, all these kind of symptoms or signs, if you see in your family member, that means he has to or she has to go to psychiatrist for her treatment, means that person is really suffering from a mental illness. checking things again and again, doing things repeatedly, washing hands repeatedly, taking care of cleanliness of home or his or her room repeatedly in a single day is also a kind of psychiatric problem. Feeling fearful to go outside from home, to go to public places, feeling fearful to talk to other person in office or in to talk to unknown person is also a kind of psychiatric symptom. Feeling very low, not talking to anyone from days. See, one thing all of you should realize, that sudden change of behavior for 1 or 2 days or for 1 week at least doesn't come under psychiatric problem. To call any person suffering from a mental illness, at least any kind of mental illness or symptom, that symptom has to be in that person at least for 1 month, minimum 1 month, for any kind of abnormal behavior should be there to consider that person to come under mental illness or a psychiatric symptom. But I was telling you, feeling low, not talking to others, not going outside for work, stopped doing any kind of business person was doing previously, crying, sometimes crying, sitting alone in the room for hours together, feeling negative about future, feeling pessimistic about future, very low confidence, very low energy in body felt by that person, highly tired, even in early morning doing nothing, feeling too much tired, sometimes feeling going out from home, running out of home, hopelessness, sometimes ideas of suicide, sometimes talking about suicide to family members or friends. All these are also comes under mental illness, what you can call as depression also. But I am not here to talk to all of you about book language or book words. They are there in psychiatry books, but how to make understand to normal family members about their patient that that person is suffering from mental illness. This is what I am trying to convince or trying to say here in my videos. Just understand by very simple words, in very simple language, that our person is suffering from a psychiatric problem or not in that particular family. One side person is not talking at all and other side person is talking too much. Both are not normal if that person is doing since months or at least from last 1 month. Sometimes sitting alone and talking to self, sometimes sitting alone for long time, sometimes sitting alone in a one particular position, seeing like this or like this also comes under psychiatric problem. Sometimes laughing to self, asking, if you ask that patient about something and he will give you answer about something else, talking irrelevantly, not coming to the answer about that particular question, not talking to you with proper eye to eye contact, or these all signs also come under psychiatric problem. Sometimes even going outside from home is also a fearful to patient. Sometimes people or patients are thinking that they are suffering from a very severe illness or from a major physical problem, medical problem, which others people in that family are not able to understand, going repeatedly for psychiatric medical examinations, doing repeated tests of medicine like CT scan, MRI, ultrasound, but all reports are normal. But we are not able to make that particular person that you are not suffering from any medical illness, we are not able to convince that person, also comes under psychiatric problem. Other things what I am going to tell you about psychiatric problems are like addiction problems. Even drinking too much alcohol from years and not listening to anything related to that particular subject about why I am drinking so much. Addiction itself from long time, if it is present in that person, is also a psychiatric problem. Let it be any kind of addiction, but if that person is suffering from any kind of addiction like alcohol or drugs or any sort of form of addiction, also comes under psychiatric problem. In reality, if you are not able to control your person just by convincing him that you need a psychiatrist for your treatment, and if you are not able to make him understand that he should go and see a psychiatrist, then you really need help from online consultation of psychiatrists. Because if that patient is not understandable and not ready to go to psychiatrist, even in your city also it is very difficult to take him to a psychiatrist. That's why I thought and started this channel. In my later videos also, I will discuss in every video about one particular kind of psychiatric problem. This video was about general introduction of all kind of psychiatric problems. From coming videos, I will talk about one particular kind of psychiatric problem in one video. Again, giving few things or few introduction about myself. I am in field of psychiatry from so many years, 16-17 years. If any person or any family member wants to talk to me just for psychiatric consultation about their patient, they can call me on my number 7015888610 from morning 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. First you people have to call me, then I will give you the time for appointment, and on that time you call me again and you can show me your patient online via 4G video calling. I will see, or I can see that patient, then I will give important suggestions about treatment, or if already treatment is going from any psychiatrist, I can at least suggest what you should do next or what you should not do next about that patient. Really thank you those who are watching my videos. Good evening.